welcome back. If you're new, welcome. I hope you're keeping well and safe. So December is finally here, which only means one thing: festive inspired makeup looks. So in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how I achieved this look using reddish and cranberry tones. So to begin with, I'm taking this brown shade and applying it to my eye area as my transition colour. The shade I'm using is called Sandalwood from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. Then I'm going in with this deep red shade called Manita and applying it to my eye socket area using a sweeper brush. Then I'm going to blend this out using the same shade I used as my transition colour. Now I'm taking this deep red colour from the Ruby's Obsession palette and patting this onto the crease area of my eye using a crease brush. Then I'm going to take my sweeper brush and blend the eye colour towards my eyelids. Taking my blending brush, I'm blending this out. And then I'm just going back in with the same red shade to deepen the colour. I'm going in with this pink shimmer shade, applying it to the centre of my eyelids. I began using the shader brush and then I decided to switch to my fingers as the product applies better. And just to deepen the colour, I'm going back in with that deep red colour into the crease area and blending this out. For my lower lash line, I'm using that same deep red shade and using a pencil brush, I'm applying it to the lower lash line. Then I'm going to blend my lower lash line with the outer edges. And using that same pink shimmer, I'm applying it to the inner corner of my eyes and I'm just topping up my eyelids here, just to add more shimmer. Next I'm going in with my Huda Beauty eyeliner and applying this. Then I'm going to apply my lashes, and for lips I am using the Lime Crime Carousel lip gloss in the shade Present. For highlight, I'm taking that same pink shimmer and highlighting the high points of my cheeks and my nose. I wanted a bit more sparkle on my eyes, so I'm going in with this gold glitter liner and applying it to the centre of my eyelids and towards the inner lower lash line. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Take care for now and bye.